Hey, I'm happy to introduce a new update, version 0.22 of AI Game Developer or Unity MCP. It's a pretty big one. Let me show you the description. It's right here. So a lot of changes, a lot of improvements, a lot of fixes, JSON schema fixes, improved login system, better login colors in the Unity console, and a lot of stuff, optimizations. Thanks for new contributors who added some changes here. So you may see all the details right here. All right. So from the important, a very major refactoring were done in this update. If you are curious about underhood of the project or like technical details, how it's working inside, or you would like to contribute, that's probably going to be important information for you. So originally, this project did use the concept of MCP plugin. The MCP plugin, it's a feature which I did for forwarding MCP server features to a client. So like client is a source of MCP tools, resources, and prompts. Not MCP client, it's Unity client in this scenario. Then Unity client get connected to MCP server, and it's going to provide all this data. MCP server works like a dummy sender back and forth. So it works like a bridge. So it's going to provide the data to MCP client, which is a chat window like Claude Code or GitHub Copilot or something else. So that's how it did work all the time and still works. But this core system of MCP plugin, like this concept, was decoupled from this repository, and it did move to this repository, MCP-Plugin-dotnet. So it's become Unity independent. It is pure .NET project right now, which could be added as a library into any .NET environment, including Unity Engine, just because it supports Net Standard 2.1, which Unity is needed to be operational. So this project contains two libraries. One of them is needed for plugin for client side. This one is MCP plugin, and another one is needed for MCP server. This is MCP plugin server project library at the same time. So these two libraries were added as dependencies into Unity MCP in this update. They were added as DLLs, just because Unity is not very friendly with Nugget. And that's why in this Git difference, if you take a look, you should see a huge negative amount of lines. So a lot of lines were removed from here, from this project. Yeah, it's probably, oh yeah, it's right there. Yeah, so it's 14,000 deletions. Pretty a lot. So all that code get decoupled from here, and it's there. Yeah, so that was the major update, major detail in this update. Hope it covers everything else. All right. Yeah, that's probably it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, suggestions, improvements, wherever. Just let me know in the comments. See you next time. Bye.